Welcome back to Taco Potato Mustang. I'm your host, Matt Becker, and today I want to show you a few of the things that I'm going to be working on both the Fox Body Zorro Blanco and the Coyote Mustang, the Dude Stang, for the next few days or weeks, depending on how long some of these things take. So first, here is my pile of goodies. Well, some of these you might have already seen on Instagram, but let's take a look. So if you saw my last video, you know that we did a change of the exhaust on the Dude Stang on the 2014 Mustang GT. And actually today I went ahead and put the stock exhaust back on just to just to try something different for a little while. It's the first time I've had the stock exhaust on there first time I've had the stock exhaust in almost 6 years. And to give you a sense of how quiet it is compared to the Roush and the mystery mufflers, when I started the car up in the garage, my wife started laughing hysterically. It was hard not to laugh myself too. And then we drove around the neighborhood, and it was like, it seriously felt like driving like a hybrid, like a Prius or something. It's crazy how quiet it is compared to, I guess, any aftermarket exhaust, but in particular the two that we've tried out on the Dude Stang. So I did get some products from Chemical Guys. I got the car wash soap and some heavy metal polish that I'm going to use on the super rusty Roush axlebacks, and hopefully at some point we can get these looking clean and figure out whether I'm going to put them back on or if I'm going to sell them and get something a little bit more tame, like the GT500 exhaust perhaps. Also picked up an oil filter and some 5W20 so I can do an oil change on the Dude Stang. It's definitely due for it. Let's see what else. I finally got the little plastic clips that I need for the fuel filter to do a fuel filter replacement on the Fox Body. So I'm gonna try and get that done soon. Also got a sway bar end link kit for the Fox Body that I'm gonna try and put on at some point. And also, I got this actually last week, but I got a battery tray hardware kit. So just to give an update on the Fox Body, the battery is actually dead right now. Earlier this week I went to start it, got a little bit of a clicking noise. It clearly wasn't getting enough juice, so I jumped it with the Dude Stang, started up fine. I let it run for a few minutes, thought it was okay. Next day, went to start it again, completely dead. No clicking, no lights, no nothing. So my plan now is to take the battery out and start working on some of the rust that's underneath the battery tray and also on the shock tower. And then I have a trickle charger for the battery that's supposed to be on its way sometime in the next week. And I'm going to go ahead and at some point safely charge the battery slowly. And then I'm going to do a voltage drop test on the battery cables to see if that's the problem, if that's why the battery is not holding a charge. And then again, for the Fox Body, gonna try and get some of this rust cleaned up that I've been meaning to work on for a while. I got my wire drill extensions to help get some of that out. And then going to once I get done with that, eventually going to run some tests on the battery. Finally going to put my multimeter to good use, and then hopefully we can get that cable issue diagnosed. I don't know, maybe I'll have to get new battery cables, we'll see. And then also going to do the fuel filter, and then once I get another oil drainage pan, which should be coming in the mail soon, I'm going to do a quick oil change on the Dude Stang. I might try to put on, I have these some Steeda front and rear sway bars that I've been sitting on for a while, that I think I might want to put on the dude stang when I have a chance to get it up in the air. And then yeah, I mean that's the plan for now. Gonna try and get some work done, hopefully make some progress in the next few days and weeks, and then go from there. So here you can see the battery tray. It's, I mean, it's not, it could be worse, but it's not great. I mean, I could probably replace the entire piece. But what we're really looking for is, you can see on the frame, there's definitely some rust. I mean, I started working on this a little bit when I replaced the battery, and it's most like right here, it's mostly dust that needs to be cleaned up, like rust dust. I don't know if that's rust dust. I don't know if that's the right term. But what I really need to work on is this whole area. Try and get some of this brushed up, and then slowly make my way over to this area. But yeah, gonna have my work cut out for me here. I'm procrastinating on the other things that I need to be doing, but right now I'm really trying to get these stickers off the inside windows. It's taking forever. It took me an hour and 22 minutes. An hour and 22 fucking minutes. But I finally got it done. On just the passenger side. Wow. Wow, I accomplished a thing today. I managed to get the that yellow sticker off on the driver's side as well. Didn't take as long as the passenger side, but pretty happy about no longer having this random yellow sticker on the inside of the quarter window. It's just a small thing, but you know, again, small victories. And as you can see, looks a little bit cleaner on the passenger side. Let's see, I wish I had more updates, but right now I'm just waiting on a few things in the mail. I have still waiting on a heat gun so I can do the body molding stripe. Still waiting on a trickle charger so I can safely recharge the battery and then run some tests to try to figure out where I'm losing power. Also, I ordered a POR 15 kit, which will help me to cover up some of the rust underneath the battery tray and on the shock tower. Also waiting for a oil drain pan so I can do an oil change on the dude stang. So yeah, I mean, some of these things are taking longer than I expected, but it is a crazy time. A lot of companies are getting swamped with people ordering deliveries because, we're all supposed to be staying home. So yeah, just trying to be patient, and hopefully I'll get some of that stuff soon and I can get some more work done on the Fox body, and also get some maintenance done on the Dude Stang. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel and you like my video, please subscribe. If you are on Instagram, I'm on Instagram at Taco Potato Mustang. And yeah, hope you're staying safe. Hope you're staying healthy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.